Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imade Asagi. I hope you're having fun wherever you are. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prep your skin properly before applying your foundation, and these basic steps I do not miss whenever I'm on to apply my foundation, whether I'm doing it for myself or my client. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have, God bless you for doing so. Thank you. Enjoy the video. So first off, I am going to clean my client's face using the baby wipes that has no alcohol or no fragrance at all, and I'm just going to cleanse the face using these wipes. And the next step is I'm going to be using a cleanser, and I'm going to be using a cleanser from Nivea. I'm just going to apply it to my cotton part, and I'm going to use it to cleanse the face. As you all know, it's a 3-in-1 cleanser, and it's super amazing, and then it's super affordable. Guys, go get it if you haven't. And the next step is I am going to use a toner. It contains glycerin and rose water. I just love it. It actually also leaves the skin moisturized, and so if you have a dry skin, this toner is perfect for you, and trust me, is a must have. And the next step after this is I am going to use a hydrating setting spray, and I'm just going to use it to spray. And I'm using a Kiss Beauty hydrating setting spray. This is amazing. It's lovely. It keeps the skin really hydrated and also helps to sink in your moisturizer perfectly. I'm using a moisturizer from Dr. Teals because it doesn't contain any chemical at all, and then it's super affordable, and also very effective for all skin types, most especially dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, hook up with this, guys. It's amazing. Now you want to carefully massage your moisturizer into your skin. As you can see, I am not dragging my moisturizer or scrubbing it into my skin. I am carefully massaging it and into my skin. As you can see, my client is actually enjoying this. She's about to sleep. So you can actually do this on your face. You don't just rush your moisturizer application. You gently do it. This helps your facial muscles also to be well relaxed. So the next step is hydrating my lips. I'm using the lip balm from Nivea. This lip balm is really hydrating, and I'm also going to use another one from Maybelline, and that's this one has a pink tint, and it just leaves it really fresh throughout my makeup and before I apply my lipstick. And next step is me applying my primer, and this step is a must because you cannot apply your foundation and leave your house without applying your primer. This helps your makeup to stay put all day. And guys, I hope you're taking note the way I am applying this product. I am not scrubbing or dragging my primer. I am tapping it into the skin. This helps your primer to really absorb well into your skin and do what it's meant to do. And as you can see, the way I'm tapping it into the skin, it's immediately or automatically wipe out all oily patches around the face, and I'm focusing on the T-zone where you have more oil. And if you notice, I am not applying this primer underneath our eyes. Instead, I advise that you use more moisturizer underneath your eyes so your foundation or concealer doesn't get creased or even break out. So you really do not need primer underneath your eyes, guys. So carefully massage your primer into your skin, and then you're good to go. The next step is not really necessary, but if you have a sweaty skin, like you sweat a lot, definitely the next step is for you. You just grab your cotton pad and you apply your Sweatproof from any good product or any brand that you trust. Today I'm using Adventure, and as you can see in the picture, is adventure and is really super amazing. The sweat proof is amazing, so I'm just tapping it. I'm not using it all over the skin, I'm using it at the areas where she secretes lots of sweat. And guys, I am going to apply my foundation and do the rest of my makeup. I hope you find this video very, very useful. Please, if you do, thumbs up, like, comment, let's interact. If you have any question, I'm here to answer you. Like I use simple products, the super high brand products you can use, and the super affordable products you can use. So if you have any questions on products, I'm here to give you answers. And I hope this video was useful. I'm so sorry that I'm trying to be fast. I do not want the video to be too long so you don't find it very boring. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned a thing or two. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, help a girl grow. And also, if you subscribed before, thank you so much. I love you guys. Mwah. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.